What's up, guys, and welcome to Dirt Gear TV. First of all, I gotta apologize about the noise in the background. That's my little portable AC running. It's a few days after Memorial Day, and I waited to shoot this video at night because it's just been so unbelievably hot here in Florida today. It's a couple days after Memorial Day, and before we get started, for our servicemen and women that are watching the video today, I just want to say thank you for your service. Now today, I'm going to be addressing an issue that a lot of you guys brought up in my original buggy video in some of the comments. Now, the number one comment that I received on my buggy video was how noisy and rattly and annoying and shaky and terrible the buggy sounded. So yes, I'm aware that the buggy has some rattle to it. A lot of that is my metal toolbox that's actually strapped to the top of the buggy and the tools moving around. But I'm going to be taking some proactive measures here to cut down on the noise of the buggy. The things I'm going to be working on today is not only going to cut down on the noise level, but also going to make the buggy more reliable and also hopefully a lot safer. I've got some goodies here. So I've got these heavy duty Heim joints that we're going to be replacing these front ball joints up here. Okay, so these are the ball joints here that are going to have to be replaced. And I already had a failure on one of these, of course. So we've got the two front heavy-duty Heim joints. We've got the adapters here. Now, the plan here is I'm going to take this and I'm going to weld this in place of the ball joint that's on there now. I'm probably going to have to cut up the A-arm just a little bit to do so. And then that'll allow me to thread these in to place, and that'll also give me some adjustability. And then we've just got some other some sleeves for these to take these down to 5/8 inch from 3/4 to give me a little bit more rotation. So let's go ahead and get started on this thing. Victory! Alright guys, so here are our two A-arms, and you can see now that I've got this out just how poor these ball joints were. Take a look at this. Look at that ball joint. Man, that thing was ready to go. The other one's not much better. Alright, so I've got it in position. This is going to be the first time I'm using this welder. So here goes nothing, guys. I think it looks pretty good so far. What do you guys think? Alright, so now as a precaution, I'm just going to run a die through here. Alright guys, so I just finished getting the one side mounted up. I wanted to show you what it looks like. So that's the finished product. Just going to go ahead and do the other side now. Alright, so this is our second one. Again, I'm still getting used to the welder. Alright, what do you think, guys? You think that's going to be secure? I think it's going to hold. Leave your thoughts below. Alright guys, so before I put this back together, I wanted to show you the finished product. Now what I did here, besides just putting these Heim joints in, is I replaced these bolts. So the way these originally worked, there was a pin bolt like this, similar, with no thread on it, that just comes up through the bottom, and then this clamp here just tightens down and holds that into place. Well, because all the stress and pressure of that suspension is pushing this down every time the wheel drops, it just kept pulling these right out. So what I did was I took a 5/8 bolt with thread, dropped it from the top down through, put my spacers in place, and then put a lock nut on the bottom. And then just for extra precaution, I went ahead and I tightened down these clamp bolts anyway. So if that doesn't take care of the problem, nothing will. And I'll show you this side here. This one's all finished up. All right guys, so it is fully back together. I've dropped it back down off the jack. And even though it's kind of dark in here, you can see my handiwork a little bit. And that's what they both look like. Came out really good. This should be a lot more secure and also a lot safer. So, man, this project was quite the project. This is the end of day 2. I'm exhausted, I'm overheated, and I'm just glad to be done with this project. It was quite the beast. I appreciate you watching Dirt Gear TV. Hey, and listen, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna have a lot more tutorials and fun stuff coming at you guys very soon. Thanks for watching Dirt Gear TV, and we'll see you next time.